declare a variable in Go without giving it a value. And Go still guarantees it is safe to use. That is the zero value. In Go, every variable is automatically initialized to its zero value when declared without an explicit initial value. This is a core language guarantee, not an afterthought. When you write var xint, Go sets x to 0. Write var string, and s becomes an empty string. You do not need to do anything extra. The zero values follow simple rules by type, numeric types, int, float64 and others. Get 0, booleans get false. Strings get an empty string. And reference types like pointers, slices, maps, channels, functions, and interfaces all get nil. Knowing these rules cold is a sign of Go fluency. This design means Go variables are always in a valid state. There is no concept of uninitialized or undefined memory like you find in C or JavaScript. You can read a Go variable the moment it is declared and always get a meaningful, predictable result. For structs, Go zeros each field recursively using the same rules. And this enables a powerful design pattern. Standard library types like sync.Mutex and bytes.Buffer are designed so their zero value is immediately useful. You can declare them and start calling methods with no setup at all. In Go, zero values ensure every variable starts in a safe, predictable state. Learn to leverage them, and your code will be cleaner and more idiomatic. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.